everybody, I'm Jess, and today I'm excited to share with you all kinds of special news about new arrivals, a sew-along that we started this month, and new fabrics. To make it easy for you, we've included links to all of the items that I'm going to talk about today in this video. So be sure to check out the description below. All of the links are in the order that I talk about them, so it's easy for you to find what you need. Also, before I share the inside scoop with you, we would love it if you would hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos and tutorials. So here's what this month has to offer. First of all, we launched a brand new pattern this month called Gigi. This mini handbag was inspired by our ongoing theme of the year called Time Warp and also a fashion model. Our Gigi pattern takes a step back to the 2010s in our Time Warp series. It is a classic styled petite wrist or shoulder bag. The musical Gigi and the well-known fashion model Gigi Hadid are the inspirations for this stylish little bag. This project is made entirely out of Cork fabric or faux leather, so it's beginner friendly and it's a great option if you're part of our monthly Cork of the Month club. Be sure to check out our limited edition kits that are available now in our Time Warp series collection. You can use the code TIMEWARP through the end of the month to get a special discount. One of our Gigi kits features our brand new limited edition Cork fabric that we designed called Fashion Print. This brand new print is a nod to the 2010s with a delicate blend of flowers and plaid, combining two fashion trends within this decade. The Fashion Print Cork pairs beautifully with the rustic rose Cork fabric shown here in the Gigi bag, and check out our drawing of how it would look made up in the Louise bag. We love adding techniques and hacks to some of our favorite patterns to highlight the shape of the bag. And this month, we introduced a hack to our Carrie pattern. Create your very own luxury baguette bag with our Carrie pattern. It is the perfect size and shape to incorporate quilting to highlight the shape of the bag in a fashionable way. For a limited time, you can snag a kit and learn how to make the Carrie bag just like this. Simply use your own Carrie pattern and follow along with the free downloadable Quilted Carrie pattern hack. We always get so many comments and requests about our kits. We're excited that you guys enjoy working with them and we have so much fun putting them together for you. So some exciting news to share with you is that we have taken two of our most popular patterns and created fresh new kits inspired by travel for you guys. Two of our brand new kits feature the Ferris fanny pack and the Tribber backpack. If you already have these patterns, no worries. You can choose to include the pattern with your kit or purchase the kit only. Both of these patterns have video tutorials, which you can watch on the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. The kits feature multiple colorways, so you can choose one that matches your style and create your very own travel set. Be sure to browse through our kit section as we've continuously added more kits throughout the year, and we'll be adding more each month. Kits are a great option for beginner bag makers, but also make it easy to shop and sew for the upcoming holidays. In other news, we have worked so hard to put together our first canvas fabric collection. If you love the look of wax canvas, but hate sewing with it because of how messy it is and gunks up your machine, I have good news for you. We just launched our first collection of faux waxed canvas. This fabric line has the authentic look and properties of wax canvas without the hassle of the wax. This fabric is a 9.7 ounce tightly woven 100% cotton canvas. It looks like a distressed leather and it feels like a quality canvas without the wax. This material is dirt repellent, water resistant, breathable, odorless, and will not transfer the color. So I hope you will love sewing with this and creating stylish projects. I cannot wait to see what you create with this material, so be sure to tag Sallie Tomato on social media so we can see your amazing projects and share them in our stories. In honor of National Sewing Month, we decided to host our first ever mystery bag sew-along. The first tutorial part in this series premiered on September 5th, and it will continue to release weekly. We've added the release schedule below in the description of this video. We would love to hear what you think of this series, especially if you want to see more mystery bag sew-alongs next year. So let us know in the comments below. Just in time for back to school season, we released another new pattern called the Morning Post. Commute with your laptop in style with the Morning Post pattern. This durable bag will give you peace of mind when you carry your device. The exterior zipper pockets are ideal for charging cords, keys, and other items that need to be accessed quickly. The softline interior and foam interfacing protect your laptop from bumps and scrapes. Try using our new Make-A-Strap webbing for a comfortable fit and customize the style of your bag. The name and design of this pattern was inspired by the romantic comedy His Girl Friday. So if you like the look of this bag but you're hesitant to make it, no worries. I'm right there with you. I've created a video tutorial to take you step by step through the project so you can pause the video and sew along as you make the bag. And that goes for all of our patterns. We always make a video tutorial so that way you will have fun and enjoy the process and know that you have the support along the way. And as usual, we've put together some limited edition kits out of Ruby Star Society canvas. We've added all the links below for the morning post, so be sure to check those out. So now that we're in September, it's hard not to think about the upcoming holidays, especially one of the most creative and spooky ones. Halloween is just around the corner, and perhaps you're already thinking of some costume ideas for your family, for yourself, or perhaps you want to add some fall decor to your home, or maybe even make a new accessory inspired by Halloween. To prepare you for spooky season, we've recently put together limited edition zipper bundles, mystery cotton bundles, and some kits including our Fifth Avenue fanny pack, the Jessica Baguette bag, and Dorothy wristlets, all in spooky little combinations. And if you're looking for other inspiration for your home or new projects and costume ideas, be sure to check out the Sallie Tomato blog for sewing projects. We've recently added some fun Halloween hacks and simple DIY costumes. And as I wrap up this month's video of new releases here at Sallie Tomato, I'd like to leave you with this inspiring quote. Make it a September to remember. I think quotes can be so motivational and encourage positive things to happen in life. September is definitely one of my favorite months of the year because the seasons start to change, so all the leaves are changing colors. There are so many family-friendly festivals and activities in Wisconsin, so there's always so much to look forward to. Plus, at the end of the month, my youngest son, Dakota, turns 3, so I'm looking forward to decorating for his party and celebrating his 3rd birthday. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and hearing about all the new exciting things that we have to share with you at Sallie Tomato. And if you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, have a creative day. Bye.